Hello everyone. This is going to be my video number 2 for building a better handstand. So the first video we released a couple weeks ago, so you can find that on the channel. And today we're going to work specifically on building shoulder strength and understanding where our shoulders need to be in handstand. So I want you to go ahead and sit comfortably, open your arms out nice and wide. Good, and then exhale, we're going to eagle our arms. You're going to take your right arm underneath your left. So option 1, you're just going to hold shoulders. Option 2, cross the forearms, lift them up. Good, so you'll kind of notice this space I have between my chest and my elbows. And then inhale, open wide. Exhale, second side. So you're going to take the left under, so maybe you're right here, or you're here. Good. And this will just give you that opportunity just to kind of stretch it out. And then inhale, open the arms again. Exhale, interlock the fingers, push them forward, and then scoop the belly, sit back. And then inhale, sit up really, really tall into the air, lift your heart. Good, let's take a seated twist. So we're gonna twist to our right, place your hand outside of your knee and twist. And this initial twist will just allow us to kind of make sure our back feels safe. Inhale, come back through center, reach high into the sky. Exhale to the second side. Look over the back shoulder. Good, inhale, come back to center, reach way up into the air, big, big breath in. Good, exhale with open arms, slowly bring them down. Roll your shoulders down and back. So we'll start in tabletop, hands and knees. So you're just gonna take your shoulder bones and make sure they're right over your wrists. So back here, they're behind my wrist. Here, they're forward. And then here, they're a little too far. So go ahead and stack. Curl your toes, and then I want you to lift your knees 2 inches up. Hold there. Good, really scoop your belly, pull it in so you're not down here. Engage your stomach. And then try to tap shoulders without moving. So I don't want to see rocking all over. Just tap, tap, tap. Good. Let's do 4, 3, 2, 1 more each side, 1 and 1. Hold, 4, 3, 2, and then put your knees down. Good, inhale, give me a cow pose, so look up. And then exhale, cat, tuck. Allow your arms to come forward, allow your hips to come forward. So now you're in a knee down plank. And then slowly from here, I just want you to take your elbows, roll them out, and then row them forward. Roll your elbows out and then roll them forward. So I'm gonna turn towards you so you can see what I'm doing. But I'm in a knee down plank, so I have some core strength going on. And then I'm just gonna take my elbows, roll them forward, roll them out. So they call this turbo elbows, as they come in and out. And what I'm doing is I'm teaching myself how to rotate the eyes of my elbows forward. I'm also activating my triceps, and this is pretty hard. So let's do 4, 3, notice my fingers aren't moving, 2, and then 1. Good job. All right, I'm gonna turn back onto my mat and face forward. And then we're gonna step into high plank. Good, I want you to pull your hips back to down dog. And then shift forward into plank and then feel your shoulders stop right on top of your wrist. Good, really tight core when you do that. Back and forward. Let's do 2 more. Back and forward. So now we're stacking shoulders on top of wrist. Last time, come forward. Good, hold there. 3, 2, and knees down for 1. Good. Sit back on your heels, shake your hands out if your wrists have started to hurt. So far you've been offered the opportunity to kind of work through this idea of shoulder taps, so stabilizing yourself in that tabletop, robo-dog elbows, and then forward and back plank. So we're learning to press into our palms fully, and we're also learning to really engage our shoulders and feel the work there, all right? So now we're gonna offer a scapula push-up, which is gonna teach us how to use our back. So I'm gonna lower the heart, press. Lower the heart, press. Now what I'm not doing is doing a push-up, all right? I'm taking my scapula, I'm dropping it, and I'm pressing. Drop and press. And that motion back here is teaching me how to safely use my entire back for this movement. Okay, so option 1, you can stay on your knees and do that knee down plank, lower, press. Option 2, we're gonna pick up those knees, drop the heart, push. Let's do 4 more. Down, press, keep your hips tight, down, press, 2 more, squeeze the scapula together, push it away, last one, push, now hold plank for 3, 2, rest. Good, so just that little bit of work can really, really feel your shoulders activated and bringing them forward in the proper direction, okay? So now we're gonna find down dog and we're gonna shorten it. So now that we've worked on our hands and knees, we're gonna work in this down dog shape where we can stretch a little bit. So we're gonna inhale, come forward, and then look, I'm on my big toes. Exhale back into my heels. Now, if you're tight, how do you do this? You put blocks under your hands, or you just keep your knees bent and you work right here. All right? So I want you to stay flat in your hands. Notice my shoulders are behind my wrist. I'm gonna bring them forward on my wrist, come into my balls of my feet, and then watch. Big toes, exhale, back. Now, don't watch your feet though. Watch your hands. So inhale, forward, 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 hold, exhale, back, back, back. Now you can stay here or step forward with me, get a little bit tighter, okay? Hands are flat, inhale, forward, forward, big toe 1, big toe 2, exhale, balls of feet, heels drop. 2 more, inhale, forward, look forward, big toes, hold, 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 exhale, back, and then let's do 1 more together because I really feel this in my lats and my side body, okay? So I'm gonna look forward, inhale, inhale, lift, lift, all the way up to those big toes, hold it 3, hold it 2, and then exhale, 1. Let's go ahead and step onto those wrists and stretch them out as we fold forward here. Good, inhale, lift and lengthen out of that, and then exhale, fold in a little bit more. Good, lift halfway up for me. And then exhale, fold forward. So quick review of what we just did so you can practice again on your own. I would just hit replay on the video so you can get this work in. You don't want to overdo it. I don't ever want you to have too sore of wrist or shoulders or back to go to yoga. This is just what you practice when you're at home. So hands and knees, worked on stabilizing. We worked on our shoulder taps. We worked on walking our hands forward, knee down plank, and then rolling our elbows in that robo dog, which you can also do in high plank. All right? And then we worked on shifting down dog without moving our hands and feet forward. And then making ourselves really tight once we got there. Right? And then we shortened all of that up. We worked on bringing the weight forward and then bringing it back. And then we shortened our stance and we brought it forward and we brought it back. And then don't forget just that strengthener of the muscles in your back. Your scapula was your scapula push-ups. So those are something you can throw in any time of your day, and that's just a lower of the heart. So I'm looking forward, push, press and squeeze, push. And it's not about the triceps when you do that, it's about the scapula. So good luck, guys. If you have any questions, comment below. Pair both of those handstand videos together, and hopefully from there, we'll start to build and build and build until we're upside down.